I'm sure you'll be glad to know that I have yodeling stuck in my head all day. Just yodeling. Yep. Hello friends! It is the end of another week of your lives, so act like it. And I was sick this week. It was, yeah. That's why Monday's video was late. I just didn't have the energy to do anything. So I didn't. So you're welcome. I am really bad at being sick. My mentality is that, like, once I get sick, I don't want to, like, take anything. I just want to, like, ride it out and just deal with it and I don't know what my body thinks when it's sick, but I usually don't, like, take anything for it, except, like, vitamin C. I'm like, I'll drink a bunch of orange juice, that'll help, right? No. I mean, yes, but no. But anyway, this time, I was much better. I did the whole, like, Dayquil, NyQuil stuff, you know, I did more than I usually do, and I think it's effective medicine. Who knew? It's warm in here. It's hot. I am trying to get a last-minute audition this weekend, like super last minute, so my brain, since I learned about it, has been like, oh, okay, learn the song from the show, pick the song, you know, get your stuff together, your headshot, your resume, do all this stuff, learn a German accent, blah, 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 learn how to yodel. So my brain is all over the place right now. So I'll keep you posted on that and how it goes, and we'll see what happens. But the most important thing about this today is that my Polaroid camera came. I may have bought 2 of them. Oh, okay, so we're gonna play with that today. Guys, I just impulse bought a Polaroid camera on eBay, so... Oops. I'm so excited. But I got one more, like, modern one. I think it's from the 90s. And then I bought one, like, old-timey vintage one, or older. So we'll see how they work. The eBay people claim that they work. But, you know, some people are big old liars. So I can't get in here. I just want my camera. Ah. Carefully. Ah! Oh my god, so many packing peanuts. Jesus, they're everywhere. It's green! Look at it! Look at it! Got my thing, got my film. This is the expensive part. So this one is ready to go. So cool, we're gonna put you over there, Polaroid 1 step, and then time for the second one. Okay, I'm losing the light, I have to go quickly. And this is a Polaroid Sun 60. It's a little older, it's got some scratches, that's fine. That's cool. I've always wanted a Polaroid camera, and I feel like such a hipster now that I have not 1, but 2 of them. Wait. I feel like something weird just happened. I don't know. Let's go test them. Okay, ready for this? I have no idea how I'm gonna do this while filming myself with this camera taking a picture with this camera because this thing is huge. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Ready? It's just blue. That's interesting. Let's let you hang out in my pocket for a while. Let's try the other one. This one didn't even give me something. Oh. So, maybe this experiment was... Oh, there it goes. Also just blue. Maybe it takes a long time to develop? I don't know. Okay, this one is like sort of kind of a little bit becoming a picture. That's weird and disappointing and not quite what I imagined the Polaroid camera would be. Because instant does not mean 30 minutes later. So, that's interesting. Let's give it some time. All right. Adventure! Photos develop in 30 to 40 minutes, according to the box. I feel like that's not how it used to work. I don't know, maybe with the Impossible project, they read it. I don't know. You know what? It's fine. I'm not gonna stress about it, because that is silly. I've got Polaroid cameras. They are fun, and if nothing else, they are cool to have. I'll get back to you on how those pictures turn out. Alright, other than that, that was my week. Sick and excited about this black picture. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Maybe I just wasted a whole bunch of money on that. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I will have good stories about this potential audition this weekend. I don't know. We'll see. Subscribe if you are interested. Like this video if you liked it. All those other things that YouTubers are supposed to say. Whatever. I don't care. Okay, bye!